I have a serious question for you all. Do you know that AI, especially like language model, ChatGPT and Gemini, and also Goldfish, has same brain because they both have a memory of 3 seconds. Is seriously, I tried to track my calorie estimation on ChatGPT, and also he keep forgetting about my past data, and then also he keep asking what it is for like that. He don't know anything about what did I tell in the past or what I'm trying to do. I have to remind that, calculate my calorie, estimate my calorie, something like that all the time, because he keep forgetting everything after just like few hours. It is because those language models are like raw models. They don't have any how to say training, or like they don't have something important called context engineering. In terms of context engineering, you all are familiar with prompt engineering, how prompts are structured, how words are structured. So you can see that context engineering is an evolution form of prompt engineering. So I'm gonna give example for that. So like let's think about those language model as a chef. So you give some recipes to a chef, which is in AI, which is a prompt. But even a chef without proper kitchen appliances and also without proper supporting materials, a chef cannot make a very good quality dishes without those things. So a chef will make something which is okay, but it won't be the best version. So content engineering is something you need to prepare before before the result is produced. Like a chef needs a systematic layout on his counter, like onions, garlic, tomatoes, wine, those kinds of things on his counter before cooking, so that he can make a very perfect meal as an outcome. So in this, there is a very big two distinct paths that you should have in mind to know more about context engineering. It's core, session, and memories. So I will explain what is session and what is memory with examples here. Let me explain what is session first. To explain with the related example, let's think you are an employee and also you are working for one specific project, and then for that project you have a working bench, working desk, and then that working bench is full of the related documents which is related to the project. Maybe you will have so many files, maybe you will have so many notes on your desk, but which is related to that specific project. It means that you have a content that is related to your project. So it's called like a you can think like a current conversation you are chatting with language model. So it's called a session. But there is a problem in the session. So if your working desk is full of files and full of documents, it's gonna be messy. You don't know which files to pick up, you don't know which notes to see. So it's becoming like a contest role. So you need something called compaction. Conversion really do here is it cuts some conversation off. It summarizes some data, and also it trying to clean and filter as much as it can. The language model will be fast and then cheap. So cheap means like you have to use talking for the AI, so that your talking will be more effective and then cost effective. Part 2 is about memories. So I will explain the importance of memory in context engineering with example. Let's think about you did the project and then you finish that project right now, but all the documents and all the file you don't keep it in the long term. even you store in your computer or even you store in physical cabinets, you don't store everything. You just store what is critical for that project, like keywords or some key points, only which is important for the project and only which you should remember in the long term. Those kinds of things you only keep it. So it called memory, and then it is how AI keep the memories. But has a doubt here, is memory same as rock, but it's not same. So IAG is like a librarian which knows everything like a universal truth, but memory is different here. Memories know about you. It's like a personal assistant. One IAG knows like one is the flight schedule. Memories know like what is your preferred seat. But to build a very qualified and good AI agent, you need both. How do we build this memory system? So it follows 4 steps. The first step is ingestion. It takes all the raw data and then original script from the chat history that you are talking with AI. Then as a second step, it extracts the noise. For example, you will say hello or thank you, which is not necessary. AI cuts out everything and filter and extract those kinds of noises. And then as a third step, it makes self-editing for the contradiction, like it adapt new conversation, new data, and old conversation, old data, it merge and make it contradict. And as a final step, it securely save for the next time we talk. So bottom line, that session handle the current state, what is happening right now, what is talking right now. But the memory is a long-term relationship. We should call back for the future. So that is very like a basic knowledge of content engineering. And then if you want to build very qualified AI agent, which you don't have to remind about anything, you need to be mastered at content engineering. Thank you.